talk for Auntie Randa? Where's your head? That's your nose. Where's your eyes? That's not your eyes. Good stuff. What are you doing? Where's your eyes? Where's your eyes?
My eyes are white.
Where's your teeth? Where's your teeth? That's your tongue. You're being very silly. Seriously? Seriously?
Yeah.
Where's William? William! William! You're not going to say any of the things you know how to say for Auntie Randa? Robert, Auntie Randa wants to hear you talk. Can you say Dad? Daddy? Can you say dog? Dog. Can you say help? Help? Can you say please? 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 Can you say eat? Butt. Do you have a stinky butt? Butt. Can you say cat? Cat. Can you say seriously? Seriously? Cat. Robert. Robert. Seriously? Robert. Can you say 1, 2, 3? 1, 2, 3. Can you say seriously? Seriously. Hey, be nice. Say William. Can you say William? Can you say Ronnie? Robert, say bye-bye.